Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete parental control on Android. So if you have a parental control applied on your Android phone, then you cannot be able to do lots of stuff. Like you cannot install any application, you cannot modify an application, you cannot modify most of the settings. So in order to turn off the parental lock on your Android phone or on your App Store or Play Store, you guys have to simply open a Play Store on your mobile phone first. So after opening up your Play Store, you have to simply click on the top right corner of your profile icon and just simply click on settings here. So I'm just clicking on settings. So after clicking on setting, now you have to just simply head over to the fourth, which is second last option. Click on family. So after clicking on that, it will provide you a drop down menu, and here you have to just simply select the parental control, which is second option. Just simply click on it and you guys can see here it is opened. So you guys can see we guys can just simply turn it off by just toggling it off. So I'm just toggling it off and it is asking you for password. So if you have applied the password, then you guys can simply put your password here, which you have applied before turning on the parental lock. Then you have to just simply put that password and your parental lock will be disabled or deleted. So if you didn't know the password yet, or if you forget it, then you guys have to simply don't worry about it. So you have to just simply go back and simply go to your phone settings and simply search for apps. So in the applications, you have to just simply click on manage apps, which is second option. Just simply click on it, and here you have to simply click on the top right corner of three dots and click on show all apps. It will show all the system apps, including your system apps and downloaded apps. Then you have to simply go to search bar and simply search for Google Play Store. I'm just searching for Google Play Store, and you guys can see here is a Google Play Store. Just simply click on it. So after opening up that, now you have to simply clear the data and clear the cache data of your Play Store. So after clearing the data and cache data to your Play Store, just make sure you have to just simply click on force stop and you are good to go. In this way, you guys can remove or delete the parental lock on your Android very simply. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.